This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, skid plates, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.